If you want full protection inside and outside your car, this dash cam takes it to the next level. Today, I'm reviewing the V8 Ultra-5CH dash cam, a powerful 360-degree, 5-channel system with AI driver monitoring and 4K recording. 360 degrees view with 5-channel recording. This dash cam uses 5 cameras to capture a complete 360-degree view, covering front, rear, sides, and the cabin. No blind spots. 4K front camera quality. The front camera records in 4K resolution, delivering sharp detail for license plates, road signs, and incidents. AI driver monitoring system, DMS. The built-in AI driver monitoring system tracks fatigue and distraction, adding an extra layer of safety for long drives and rideshare use. GPS plus Wi-Fi connectivity. With built-in GPS, your speed and location are recorded, while Wi-Fi lets you review and download footage directly to your phone. Night vision plus 24/7 parking mode. Advanced night vision ensures clear footage in low light, and 24/7 parking monitor mode keeps your car protected even when parked. Complete vehicle coverage, true 360 degrees protection with 5 cameras. Advanced safety tech, AI driver monitoring improves driving awareness. Ready to use, comes with a free 128 GB memory card. Installation takes time. Multiple cameras require careful setup. Parking mode may need hardwire kit for continuous monitoring. If you want maximum coverage, smart AI safety features, and premium recording quality, the V8 Ultra-5CH dashcam is built for serious drivers, families, and rideshare professionals. Protect every angle of your drive. Click the link in the description to check the latest price on Amazon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you want more dashcam and car tech reviews.